Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create infographic design on top 10 most used AI tools worldwide in 2025. Online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Draw circle 800 by 800 and inner 300 by 300 dimensions using ellipse. Use stroke remove fill. Draw vertical line using line tool. Rotate 110 degrees. Copy and paste here and flip horizontally. Align both lines center. Copy and paste here. Use circles for 600 and 400 dimensions. For creating end tip, as shown in the scene. Select object and go to Shape Builder. Press shortcut key equals M. Click on object create shapes. To deselect press Alt plus click. Select object and go to fill. Apply colors from the swatches. Right-click, group them. Select object, click on radial repeat. Change properties. Count equals 10 and gap equals 2.5. Right-click on object split vector. Apply tip colors from the swatches. The top 10 most used AI tools worldwide 2025. One, ChatGPT, the undisputed champion. Two, Canva AI, the creative powerhouse. 3 to Google Gemini, the search giant's answer. 4. Grammarly AI, the writing assistant revolution. 5. Microsoft Copilot, the productivity integration leader. Six. Midjourney, the artistic AI pioneer. 7. Adobe Firefly, the creative suite AI. 8. Claude Anthropic, the thoughtful alternative. 9. Perplexity AI, the research specialist. 10. Jasper AI, the marketing content leader. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.